punished.
Everyone, my name is Luna. I'm going to read A Good Day for Fishing. Page 1. Moo took a fishing pole and went to the brook in the woods to fish. Page 2. I want to hook a good fish that I can cook and eat, he said. Page 3. Moo found a tug on the hook. He pulled it on the line. Out came a blue shoe. Page 4. Look at that, he said. It's a nice shoe, but I cannot cook a shoe. Page 5. Moo took the shoe off the line. He tossed it back in the brook. He felt another tug. He then put up another shoe. Page 6. Soon it was night. I should go home, he said. Steady, I had no luck. I had no fish to cook. Page 7. Moo saw a man sitting by a bush. The man had stood on his feet. He had a pail of fish beside him. Page 8. Your pail is full of fish, Moo said. I wish I had a pail of fish. Page 9. Your shoe look nice, said the man. I wish I could have some nice shoes. Page 10. I will train with you, said Moo. I will give you my shoes, and you will give me some of your fish. Page 11. That will be good, said the man. Moo took some of the fish and the man to his home. Page 12. Moo cooked the fish on a wood stove. Moo and the man sat down together and had a fine meal of fish. Bye-bye.